Okay, guys, this is another outfit that I'm very, very excited about, guys. So if you guys can see, I've already traced out my leggings and I got it cut. So I did put them on the fold, so there's no outer seam. It's only going to be an inner seam. And guys, this is the long draping cape that's going to drape going over the neck and going around. And if you guys can see from here to there, I got my neck hole. So guys, I'm in the preparation to get ready to go to the doctor's appointment. But when I'm done, this beautiful piece will be created, guys. So I seen Steve Harvey's wife with one of these on. She had on black. I'm actually going to make one in black. I was so in love with it. And it was all flowy and beautiful. But this is going to be the cape pantsuit. So it's going to be in this pretty soft pink. And guys, remember you trace out a pair of leggings that fits you properly. And this is your drape cape piece, and depending on how far you want it to be. Say I want it to be from my chest going up, and then I want it to drape across. Then woo, it's gonna go way down and drape over really good. So when I get done putting it together, you guys will see the finishing results. Thank you guys for watching. And guys, when you cut your neck hole, don't cut it big, because with this spandex fabric, when you cut it, it get wider. That's why I'm really close to the neck hole. Don't go big because it expands. So cut smaller when you're cutting out your neck hole. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Guys, so this is what the top part of the shirt is going to look like. But if you guys can see, this time this baby is going all the way down to the floor. It is going to drape all the way down to the floor. So that's why I was saying with y'all V-neck, depending on how deep you want it, stop it. Because if you don't want a lot of cleavage out, stop it. But this is how the top part of the outfit is going to be. And these are the two legs. So the only difference is, normally guys, I make these in the dresses. This is going to be a beautiful pantsuit with the forgiving flowiness. Oh, I'm super excited about this, guys. So that's how it's going to be. And guys, if you guys want it way long on the flow, buy more meters so you can make it longer. So this one I'm super excited about. So I just wanted to show you guys that how you come up with the length and the V-neck. And see the V-neck, I didn't want to cut it deeper. So if you want more cleavage, guys, cut it down more. So it'll be a lot more sexier. But I kind of stopped it kind of right there. Let's see, I moved this shirt down. But I kind of stopped it like right there. But if you guys want it to be more sexy, you can. And definitely I'm gonna have to wear a what is it called, one of them scrapless bras, because if you guys can see, your nipples kind of show really bad through there, and this is a really thin fabric. So yeah, you just put on a scrapless bra with this. But this is kind of how it is going to look. And then, like, say for instance, guys, if you wanted to not attach it and make this a piece that you can wear with something else, then maybe you could put, I just took it and tied it around my waist. Maybe you can add tassels to it and you can tie it. But I'm actually going to have this being a one piece. I'm definitely going to attach it. It's going to be a one piece. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. God bless. And the next time you guys see this beautiful outfit, I will have it on. It's going to be a flowy pantsuit, guys. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Bye-bye. And forgive the bra. I will put one on. Guys, it is your girl, A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs. And guys, do y'all see this outfit? Oh, my goodness. This is so lovely. So beautiful. Like, I am truly in love with this. I feel so sexy. It's so flowing, so forgiving, guys. And I did put on a bra, because I know y'all was going to get me like, hey, Marie, that's cute. But you need to wear a bra. Come on, Gino. Come on. You always do this. Come on. Come here. Stop clicking. Say hi. Okay. Now go. So, yes, guys, I put on a push-up bra with it. But I love it. I love it. And, guys, remember the shoes I made? I thought that was a really cute little touch with it. Let me take off one. Guys, see? I thought that was a really cute little touch because you can have all of the colors and everything in here. But guys, I love this. This is so beautiful. So if you guys want to make it, that's what you got to do, guys. Get a pair of leggings, and remember to make your meters longer, and then how tall you are. So guys, keep in mind your shoulders, like your buttocks, or make this be a little smaller. So if you wanted to be able to drape the flow like this, I would say get about 4 yards, and then sometimes you need the fabric that is the meters is wider versus the one that's 36 inches. So guys, you make these beautiful cake projects, and I love it, guys. So happy sewing, ladies and gentlemen, and I feel like I got wings to infinity and beyond, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here's a couple still shots. And I love this outfit. I'm going to make different colors. And guys, it's an app that I downloaded on my phone. You can turn your pictures into magazine covers. That's it right there. I really like it. So it's at the Play Store. If you guys want to make some creating stuff, you can go to the Play Store and download that app. So thank you guys so much for watching. And God bless. Bye-bye.